last January in 7.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, northeastern Washington County in central Vermont, southern Essex County in northeastern Vermont, central Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont until 3:30 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Calais, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Littleton, Lancaster, Ardwick, Danville, Barnet, Calais, Lunenburg, Concord, Worcester, Walden, Woodbury, Elmer, Peacham, Marshfield, Cabot, Victory, Lower Waterford, Putnamville, East Peacham and Peacham Corner. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Based on